Are you an owner of an apparel store and you want to send WhatsApp messages to all your leads, but you are still doing this manually? Then this automation is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to automate WhatsApp marketing for your apparel business using Facebook lead ads. So I am an owner of an apparel store and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. What I want is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead I want to send a WhatsApp message. Now sending these WhatsApp messages manually to the new lead being generated is very time consuming. So what I did was I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation, I have created a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As with the help of WhatsApp by AI Sensei, I have created a message template which I am going to be sending as messages to all the leads that are generated. If you want, you can create your own message template with the help of Wati or Interact. If you want to learn about this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we're going to learn how to automate WhatsApp marketing for your apparel business using Facebook lead ads. So as an owner of an apparel store, I use Facebook lead ads to attract potential customers who are interested in our latest collections and fashion trends. I use WhatsApp to reach out to these leads personally, offering them exclusive discounts, style tips, and updates on new arrivals. The challenge is managing timely and personalized communication with every lead that comes in, especially as the volume increases. And risk of missing out on engaging potential customers with their interest is highest. Manually sending these messages is very time consuming. So to solve this, I automated my WhatsApp marketing. Now, whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, they receive an immediate customized WhatsApp message with warm welcome, tailored with offers. This approach not only saves me time but also strengthens our communication with customers and driving more sales. And we're going to be creating this amazing automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Automate WhatsApp Marketing for Your Apparel Business Using Facebook Lead Ads. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Okay. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select WhatsApp Marketing Automation as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Automate WhatsApp Marketing for Your Apparel Business using Facebook lead ads, and you can see over here there are two windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means that action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We are going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads. As with the help of Facebook lead ads, I'm promoting my apparel store that is in the name of Glam Fusion. I'm promoting my business with the help of it. I want that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as Facebook lead ads. And for the trigger event over here, I'm going to select it as new lead instant. As whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button right over here. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add your connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, over here it says connect with Facebook lead ads. Before, click on this button right over here, log in to remember it to your Facebook account on a new tab, so that creating a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect will be much easier. Okay, as I've already logged into my Facebook account, now I'm going to click on this button right over here. As you can see, we successfully authorized Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After connecting over here, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. So for the page, we have created a page in my Facebook account in the name of Glam Fusion, and with the help of this page, I will be running my Facebook lead ads. So for the page over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Glam Fusion. I'm going to select this page right over here as Glam Fusion. And for the lead gen form, I've created a lead ads form in the name of lead form. With the help of this form, the leads are going to be generated. So I'm going to select this form right over here. Okay. After selecting the page and the lead gen form over here, it is saying save and send test request. Before click on this button right over here on the top of it, it says simple response. I want the simple response. I'm going to toggle this button on, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button right over here. As I've done that, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Facebook lead ads is connected to Pabbly Connect or not successfully, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, and then I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the new test lead being generated or not. So now let us do the test submission. We're going to generate a test lead. For that, open the lead ads testing tool. This is the Meta's lead ads testing tool, and with the help of this tool we can generate the test leads. Okay, so now let us generate the test lead. Firstly, it is asking us to select the page. So for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Glam Fusion, and for the form, I'm going to select it as lead form, and then I'm going to click on this preview form button. So this is the lead gen form that I've created, with the help of which the new leads are going to be generated. So now what I'm going to do is we are going to fill in the dummy details right over here. For the first name of the lead, I'm going to write it as Smart. For the last name of the lead, I'm going to write it as Person. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as smartperson7@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As over here you can see it is saying your test lead has been sent. As now the test lead is generated, I'm going to open my workflow and check whether the lead has been received or captured as a response or not. For that is the workflow. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see right over here Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test lead being generated. Let us tally the response. Firstly, for the first name comes as Smart, last name as Person, email as smartperson7@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, the dummy mobile number with all the other details. As now we've successfully received the response of the new lead being generated in our workflow that we have created. This means that Facebook lead ads has now been connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads by any of the potential customers, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the lead generated in this similar manner. Now as the trigger setup is done, our objective is as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead a WhatsApp message should be forwarded, and we are going to be sending the WhatsApp message with the help of WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As with the help of it, I have created a message template. So this is a message template that I've created, and I want to send this message template as a message to my customers on their WhatsApp. Okay, so let us go through the template that I've created. Is in the name of Glam Fusion message. Let us go through the template. Hey, next to hey you can see it says customer's name. So this is a variable that I've created. In place of this variable, I want the value of the customer's name so that I can send them a personalized WhatsApp message. After that, it says thank you for showing interest in Glam Fusion through Facebook. We are thrilled to have you in our fashion community. To welcome you, I've loved to offer you an exclusive 50% off on your first purchase. Use code WELCOME24 to check out to unlock stylish deals and discover our latest collection tailored just for you. Plus, stay tuned for more styling tips, trends alerts, and special offers directly from us. We are here to make sure that you look and feel fabulous. Tab here to start shopping. This is a dummy website. Happy shopping and welcome to the Glam Fusion family. Best regard, the Glam Fusion team. So this is the template that I've created using WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and I want to send this template as a message to my customers on their WhatsApp whenever they're going to generate the lead with the help of Facebook lead ads. Okay, so now to send a WhatsApp message, we are going to set up our action step. And for the action application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As with the help of AI Sensei, I've created a message template, and for the event, I'm going to select it as send template message. Then I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After clicking on add new connection, it is asking for the API key. With the help of this unique API key, we're going to connect our WhatsApp by ASNC account to Pabbly Connect. In order to have the API key, you have to follow the steps given here below in the help desk. Okay. So now to have the API key, log into your ASNC account. So this is my ASNC account. And now to have the API key, from the left side of the panel, go to this manage option. After coming to manage option, from the manage settings, it says API key, go to it. So this is the key, copy it from here and paste it over here in the workflow that you're going to create, and then click on the save button. As you can see, WhatsApp by ASNC is now been connected to Pabbly Connect. As soon as the connection is done, it is asking for the campaign name. In order to send the template as a message to WhatsApp to our customers, we have to create the campaign of the template that we have created in our ASNC account. So now let us create the campaign in our ASNC account. So this is my ASNC account, and I've created a template over here in the name of Glam Fusion message. And now I want to create a campaign of this message. For that, from the left side of the panel, go to this campaigns option right over here. Now in campaigns, you can see over here it says launch. Click on this button right over here. Select the campaign type as API campaign. It is asking for the campaign name. So the campaign name over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is a campaign name, that is Glam Fusion message. I'm going to copy this campaign name from here. And for the template over here, I'm going to select the template that I've created, that is Glam Fusion message. Okay. After giving the campaign name and selecting the template, I'm going to click on the set live button and go to campaign button. You can see the campaign has been successfully created in the name of Glam Fusion message, and the status of the campaign is live. It is very essential for the status to be live, because in the help test it says it is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. Okay. So remember, the AISNC campaign that you have created, the status of it should be live. Okay. As the campaign is successfully created for this message template, for the campaign name over here, I'm going to exactly paste the campaign name. Okay. Next, it is asking for the phone number on which you want to send a WhatsApp message to. As I want to send a WhatsApp message towards the lead that is generated with the help of Facebook lead ad. So for the data of the mobile number, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. So what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as we're going to click on this field, this was the previous step, that is Facebook lead ads, new lead instant. As I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. It is asking for the mobile number first. In my previous response, I have received the mobile number of the lead that is generated, and I want to send a message to the lead only. Okay, so I'm going to select this data of the mobile number from my previous response. As I've selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped. And as I've mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Next, it is asking for the username. Enter the name of the user to whom the campaign has to be sent. I want to send this campaign message to the leads that are generated. So I'm going to map the data, the first name space the last name of my lead. Okay. After that, it is asking for the source and the tags. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. Next, it is asking for the template parameter. As I've already told you that in this template that I've created a variable. You can see right over here, and this variable is for the customer's name. So now to enter the value of the variable that I've created, this is the field for it, that is template parameter. So in place of this value, I want the customer's name. So I'm going to map the data of the customer's name, first name space the last name. Okay. If you have created multiple other variables in this template that you have created using AISense, how you can enter the value is after that you have to enter comma and space, and then you can enter the value of the other variables in the similar manner. Okay. So as I've entered the value of the variable, it is asking for the attributes URL in the file name. I do not require these fields, so I'm going to skip the part. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to simply click on this save and send test request button. As I've done that, you can see right away I've received a response, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see right away I've received a WhatsApp message. It says, "Hey smart person." This was the name of the lead that was generated. "Thank you for showing interest in Glam Fusion through Facebook." And this was the same message template that we have created in our WhatsApp by AISense account. It's been forwarded to me as a WhatsApp message. So now as I've received the WhatsApp message, this means that it's fully created an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. But now to check whether this connection, this automation that we have created is successful or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate another test lead with the help of Facebook lead ads, and then I'm going to check whether a new WhatsApp message is forwarded to me or not. Okay, so for that I'm going to generate another test lead. For generating the test lead, I'm going to open the Meta's lead ad system tool. With the help of this tool, we can generate the test lead. Over here you can see it says you can create one lead per form. You'll need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. As I've already created a lead with the help of this form, we have to delete that existing lead. For that, click on this delete lead button right over here. It is saying your lead has been deleted. Now I'm going to refresh this page from here. It is very important to first delete the lead and then refresh the page, because if you are not going to do that, you won't be able to generate another test lead with the help of this form, because you can only create one lead per form. Okay. Firstly, it is asking for the page. For the page, I'm going to select it as Glam Fusion. For the lead, I'm going to select it as lead form. After selecting the page and the form, I'm going to click on this preview form button. So this is a lead gen form that I've created. Now I'm going to fill in all the required details right over here. So I've filled in all the required details for the first name as demo, last name as account, email as demo account to @pabblytudes.com with a dummy mobile number. After that, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As over here you can see it says your test lead has been generated. As now the test lead is generated, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message or not. For that I'm going to open my WhatsApp, and yes, you can see right over here I have received a new WhatsApp message. It says hey demo account. This was the name of the lead that was generated with the help of Facebook lead ads that we have generated right now, and this is the same message that has been forwarded to us that we have created a template in our AI Sensei account. Okay, as we've received the message successfully, this means that we have successfully created an automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of an apparel store and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. My objective was that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically towards the lead that is generated, I wanted to send a WhatsApp message. And for that, I've created this amazing automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it for this video. Thank you for watching.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.